Colors name: purple color, yellow, blue, red, green, black. Let's write the lowercase letter. You can read and write with me. A is for apple. B is for balloon. C is for cow. D is for donkey. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for house. I is for iron. J is for jug. K is for kettle. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nose. O is for octopus. P is for pigeon. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yacht. And Z is for zebra. Let's repeat the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.